Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can review LinkedIn campaign performance by different metrics. So let's jump into it. So I'm logged into the Campaign Manager account, I'm in the Advertise section, and I'm reviewing the campaign performance. And if you go to the column section and click that, you can review the performance by different groups of metrics, and this can be really helpful when you're looking at campaigns with different objectives. So for example, if you're running video campaigns, you can click the video metrics in the column section, and then it's going to give you metrics based off of video campaigns. So we can see impressions, plays, clicks, views. If you scroll to the right, we see the different view percentages, so how much of the video they're watching, the video completions, etc. So this column section can be really helpful. Performance gives a kind of general overall impressions, clicks, click-through rates. Delivery is another key one. This is great for monitoring the frequency of your ads. So this right here shows for this campaign, users on average are seeing about 3 ads for the time range I have selected. So this is important to monitor, especially if you're doing cold and prospecting and retargeting. You want to make sure you're hitting your users at a certain frequency and rotating your creatives according to that. And then in here we also have engagement. So these are metrics like you can see reactions, comments, shares, along with the engagement rate. So good if you're running like an engagement based objective, good to check those out. Good to just look overall and see if people are commenting and reacting to your creatives. And then we have conversions and leads. So if you're running lead gen campaigns, you can see metrics like the lead form open, lead form completion rate, cost per lead, and if you're running messaging, there's sponsored messaging metrics in there. Budgets and bids is just going to give you an overview of your budgets and bids. And talent leads and job applicants, those are more aligned with recruitment. So you can see different metrics related to both of those. Documents if you're running document-based ads. And then MRC is for the Media Ratings Council. These are standards that are approved by a nonprofit organization that is around making sure advertisers measure performance on certain guidelines. So I don't particularly use these, but if you're looking just for things that are approved by MRC, they're in here. And then also you can create a custom columns. So you can go in and depending on the objectives that you're running, you can select certain metrics there and build out the metrics that you want to review specific to your campaigns. I have one called Performance V1 that I saved, so you can do that as well. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick video on that. Some people aren't too familiar with what you can see in here, so this can be really helpful depending on the campaign objective and the ad format that you're running to come in here, adjust the columns as needed, and you can also segment your campaigns with the breakdown and filter on specific campaigns using the filters. So if you have any questions on that, please put in the comment section. I'd be happy to help you out, and thanks for watching and have a great day.